Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Maktab-E-Hind. Let's learn with fun. Hello children. Today we are going to learn subject Environmental Science Standard First. Topic Animals and their Young One. Created by Naziya Shaikh, teacher of school Anjuman Islam's VM and DMPM Urdu Primary School Semi-English Pune 1. Let's start. Tiger. Young one of tiger is called cub. Tiger is adult. Cub is young one. Kangaroo is adult and young one of kangaroo is called joy. Butterfly is adult and young one of butterfly is called caterpillar. Chicken is adult and young one of chicken is called chick. Chicken, chick. Zebra is adult animal and young one of zebra is called calf. Zebra, calf. Cow is adult animal and young one of cow is called calf. Cow, calf. Pig is adult animal and young one of pig is called piglet. Pig, piglet. Bear is adult animal and the young one of bear is called cub. Bear, cub. Panda is adult and young one of panda is called cub. Panda and his baby is called cub. Sheep is adult and young one of sheep is called lamb. Sheep, lamb. Frog is adult and young one of frog is called tadpole. Frog, tadpole. Swan is adult and young one of swan is called cygnet. Swan, cygnet. Dog is adult and the young one of dog is called puppy. Dog, puppy. Deer is adult and young one of deer is called fawn. Deer, fawn. Rabbit is adult and young one of rabbit is called bunny. Rabbit, bunny. Cat is adult and the young one of cat is called kitten. Cat, kitten. Horse is adult and young one of horse is called foal. Horse, foal. Lion is adult and young one of lion is called cub. Lion, cub. I hope you understand the video. So like this video, share this video, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Maktab-E-Hind. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. See you again.